interaction in the human defenders and NGOs. So today it is awarded for specific cases.
I will not take much of your time. You will come.
Because there are 60 cases.
I understand.
I have not come only to 28 cases.
I will come to the point. I will not take my
Yes,
5 minutes. I will come to the point. So I talk about 2 cases. How from 67 cases, we put 37 cases of murder of minors, gang rapes. Are we living in free India? That is the first question to NHRC for mental health, number 1, and to the police department. Number 2. So I come to my case right away, right now. 7 years of old Kuti Padiyar, the only daughter of Saraswati Padiyar and Rohit Padiyar, 35 years old. Right. 35 years old was dead in a code of a newly developed project.
Affordable house.
Namely,
affordable house.
affordable house